add our prawns, our king prawns. Welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do a nice Spanish rice with seafood and king prawn paella, and this is really tasty. I had this a couple of weeks ago, so I thought I'd share it with you. So basically I've got some seafood cocktail which is already pre-cooked. Got some red, yellow and orange peppers, got some basmati rice, chopped tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, white onion, some chorizo, some parsley, some chicken stock cube, and some nice king prawns. So what we're going to do, we're going to prep all this up and we'll bring it back. Okay, so we've got everything prepped up. Our onions, parsley, garlic, basmati rice, chorizo, peppers. That's just chicken stock. Just going to get a jug of water and put that in. Got our tomatoes, salt and pepper. Our king prawns already done. We get our pan on. A little bit of olive oil. Get our onions. Garlic, chorizo, peppers, now rice, chopped tomatoes, chicken stock, add our seafood cocktail. It's got some small prawns, squid and some mussels. This is already pre-cooked and I found it today. I've had a similar one before, but you can buy this and freeze it if you get it home in time. It's already frozen. It's got to put it in the freezer, and it's 2021. Add our prawns, our king prawns. A little bit of parsley over the top. This is still on the stalks, but it will wilt down once it's cooked in here. And we'll be back soon. We'll crack on. So see you soon. Okay, so there we go. We've got our king prawn paella with some mixed seafood, mussels and squid, and some smaller prawns with basmati rice, chorizo, garlic, chopped tomatoes, onions, and all that good stuff all together. And the chorizo just gives it that little bit of heat, but not a lot, so you can enjoy this. And these king prawns are really meaty. So thank you very much for joining me on this little prepared meal for you, and I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. So we'll see you soon. Take it easy and stay safe. Cheers guys.